Hey everybody, I'm Melody Blue, and welcome back to my channel. So, today, I want to teach y'all, before we get into doing the fade, I want to teach it, start out small, and work your way up to bigger sizes. I'll do it on this page here, I think. The practice piece anyway. Let's do it here. Okay. Before you learn how to do the fade, you need to learn to hold your pencil. If you hold it down here, let me do this on over here. If you hold your pencil here and start working, it comes out dark. You don't want that. If you hold it back here, it doesn't come out as dark. If you hold it back here, you really get it. Now, I'm not doing this stroke. I'm not doing this. I'm just going, and this will come better to you as you practice. But in order to do a fade, you've got to know how to do this. You've got to learn how to lay down. And like I said, I'm not doing this. I'm just doing like this, right next to each other. I don't know if y'all can see that color or not. Let's do this one. So, if I hold it up here, and this is the lightest pressure I can put, and it comes out like that. Then if I come back here, it's a little lighter. Or if I come back here, it's really light. This is what you want to start out with, especially with Star Joy Gold. Really, any pencil, we got to start out light. And you want to turn your book a little bit when you go back. You're going to go back like this. And turn your book slightly and come back. Just keep doing that, and you will get where you want it. But this is a have-to lesson. So, if I learn how to do this, then I can go from this down to that. That's a gradient. That's the fade. But you got to learn to do it with one pencil first. And then we can move on to two. Like, I could come back with a lighter color red to do my fade out. But this is, you have to know, and don't do it like this. No, you got to get them as close together as you can. And don't do this stroke. Don't make it look like a oval. What I'm doing is, I'm putting one line down at a time right next to each other. And don't go back. come down, pick up, come down, pick up, come down, pick up, and just move slightly over each time. And I can't stress this enough. Hold your pencil at the back, or at least in the middle. And then practice laying down. I know it looks like I'm going back and forth. I'm not. I'm actually picking it up. When you get more advanced, you know, you can kind of hold it down here. But you have to get pencil control. In order to do the fade, we need pencil control. We need to learn light layers, and we need to hold our pencil back here. It is important. It's called a gradient. I call it a fade. Some people call it's called different things, but its regular name is called a gradient. And you can do a gradient with 7 pencils. I have done a gradient with 7 pencils. When I did my how to do a rainbow mushroom, that was 7 pencils that I gradiated from, and they were into each other. Pretty sure I did it with Star Joy Gold. But yeah, that's what you want to learn. And I'm going to link a video in the description box on this. Before we can do this, you've got to learn this. I know it's boring, but get you out a sheet of paper, and it doesn't have to be, just get you out a piece of printer paper, notebook paper, whatever, and start practicing. Start practicing your strokes. It goes the same way for wax pencils. You want to hold it back here and practice letting off of it, so you go from darker to lighter. Then practice, you know, just practice as light as you can get it, and then put a little more pressure back here and get it kind of dark, and then start letting off the pressure. You get the gradient. If you can do it with 1 pencil, you can do it with however many you want to fade into. But just practice. It all comes with practice. Start out a little heavy, and then get lighter and lighter as you go away. Gotta learn how to do this. Can't stress this enough. You have to learn to do it with 1 pencil before you can do it with others. I haven't done anything on this yet, because I've been preparing lessons for you guys. And let me say something. The last video was a doozy. I was coloring along, and I always, even though it's already uploaded, I go back and watch my videos to see what I can do better, where I need to improve at, and all that kind of stuff. So I was watching my video, and I'm talking about Star Joy Gold, and all of a sudden I hear on the video, not out here talking right over me, was, "Excuse me." I'm like, what? I had to go back and play that. I've been playing it over and over again since it was the only spot in the video. Just there. Nowhere else. Just there. I think it's 12 minutes and 10, 13 seconds, something like that. It's in that range. I think I marked it down on the video. But clear as day, you hear "excuse me," And I'm like, well, at least it was polite, you know. So, yeah, if you get a chance to watch that, you know where to find it out. And my great grandbaby, my second one is born. It's a girl, Madeline Anise Renee. The Renee comes from my daughter that passed away. It's her mama. So she put her mama's name in there, so. Okay, guys, like I said, I'm going to link the video. One of Miss Lori's videos on this. And I can't stress it enough. You've got to learn how to do it with one pencil before you can do it with many pencils. Where did I do that at? Don't even know. I was testing colors here. Just a practice page. Just find you a page in your book that you don't ever want to color and have at it. And they didn't give us any tester pages. And but yeah, you guys mean the world to me. Here it is. Yep. Gotta learn how to do it with one pencil first. That's your homework. Practice this. Get a piece of notebook paper. You don't have to be fancy paper. Just get some notebook paper. Just take your Star Joy Gold and start practicing. And remember where to hold your pencil at, because I know you see a lot of advanced people on their channels holding it down here. But that comes with a little bit of experience before you can do that. You've got to learn to control it first. You control the pencil, you control the color, you control the whole thing. Okay, guys, so that's about it for me. I will see you guys on the next one. We're still doing the giveaway at 500 and we're so close. Okay, guys, I love each and every one of y'all. Peace out. Bye.